Okay, today I would like to do a review on fast track trading. Usually, I do not look into a prop firm without a bit of a history behind them, simply because I'm quite wary of new prop firms, like whether they can pay, are there any scams. I would like to at least see some proof of people who had experience with them first before even taking a look into them. Fast track trading actually came across my path a few months ago when it started out early this year. I took a glance at it, I went in, I dug around, but as you know, it was a very basic website at that time. I mean, until now, they do not offer credit card acceptance. And the only way you can pay now is either via through bank transfer or crypto. It looks very sketchy to me back then. I was like, why are you doing business when everything is just bare bones? So I stopped there and I did not proceed further. But now I am taking a second look at it. Why? Mainly because I actually wanted to buy some accounts for myself. FYI, the credit card acceptance is still in their upcoming plan, but it's not available yet. I think they did at a point, but it was stopped due to the claims. So, what do they offer? Fast track trading is actually quite unique in that I could not really find a comparison for it except for Tick Direct Funding account. But fast track trading here is actually cheaper than Tick. Its unique proposition was that it is an instant funding account. There is no waiting period for evaluation. Once you pay for it, you get a SIM funded account straight away. They have a few accounts. The first one, which is the Rally. Um, this is a 25k account. The next is a Daytona or the 50k account. Grand Prix, which is the 150k account, and the Formula One, which is the 300k account. Currently, the best account I see so far is a Grand Prix, which is the 150k account because of the available promotions. There is no monthly fee and there's no activation fee, so you can just trade as you see fit only when you see a very good setup. The rules are actually quite simple. They are one of the prop firms with the least rules available. It's just a simple, basic end of day drawdown rule, 20% consistency rule, and the limited withdrawal rules. You just need a minimum of 5 trading days. You can have up to 20 accounts, and there is no scaling rule. And during the sim trading phase, there is no commission at all when you are trading. News trading is allowed, there is no daily loss limit, and the only maximum loss limit you have is 5%, which is similar to the end of day drawdown rule. Once uh, you have profit and your drawdown goes above the starting balance, the drawdown is locked there. The platform that Fast Track Trading is currently working at is just Rithmic right now. Scott, the CEO of Fast Track Trading, has been saying that they are trying to incorporate Tradovate into their accounts as well. Yeah, so right now they only have Rithmic, and the software they are offering is Nitro, which is actually a white label of Quant Tower. It's actually not bad if you like Quant Tower. Nitro is a fully fledged Quant Tower with all the add-on features available, which runs about $70 per month. That you get to keep it for free over here, except for one thing, which is the multi-connection copy trading add-on. Nitro allows you to copy trade, but it is copy trading within its own fast track trading accounts only. If you would like to connect to other prop firms via Rithmic like FXReplay funding, Bullonox, etc. at the same time, you have to get the actual license from Quant Tower and with its multi-connection copy trading add-on. Otherwise, I would have been more than happy to use Nitro as my main trading platform for all the prop firms. There is also mention about how fast track trading can incorporate Rithmic and trading via TradingView at the same time. I am actually very curious how they are going to implement this. They have been saying that they will come up with it. They have a schedule of when they will come up with this information. But for now, they are actually past the deadline already, and with no exact dates of when they will be able to solve it. It's in their plans, but I'm just not sure of the availability. They are also looking to include Ninja Trader license. You might not know this, but the newer prop firms, they are no longer getting free license from Ninja Trader anymore, because I think for like prop firms starting this year or something, Ninja Trader stopped granting the license to them. That's why you are seeing a lot of the older prop firms, they are able to grant you a free Ninja Trader license because of the working connection is already there. But for the newer prop firms, this is not something that they are able to do. We shall see if there will be Ninja Trader license or not. Currently, they are only offering Rithmic compatible platforms, and they are still trying to bring in additional tools to the platform as soon as possible, such as TradingView, TraderVet, and Ninja Trader. So what Scott said was that if you buy now, you are getting a Rithmic account. But let's say on the day they have TraderVet, you can transfer, meaning you can switch from Rithmic to TraderVet free of charge and continue on from there. Regarding the availability of TraderVet, the last I heard it was the 1st of September, but the dates keeps moving on. It seems the delay is due to the lack of communication from the TraderVet and Ninja Trader side instead of lack of attempt from the Fast Track Trading side. Fast Track Trading has a very interesting account reset rule. It is not available though. Although the website might be showing otherwise. So for 10% of the earned profit calculated from the previous day close, a FTT trader can reset their account to 50% of their earned profit. So the example here is that you have a Formula One account with $200,000 in earned profit, and your account liquidates at the 300,000 max loss limit. So instead of purchasing a new account, you can opt to reset your current account. For 10% of your earned profit, meaning 10% of, meaning like 10%, 20K of the $200,000, you can recover 100K in profit, which is 50% of, of the 200K. So plus your starting balance of 300K, meaning when the market reopens on Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, you have 400K in your account instead of starting over at 300K. Actually, I got conflicting views of this like 20K account. Over here it says 10% of the 200K, but in the Discord, I think it was mentioned it was like 10% of this 100K. So it's either like 20K or 10K, I'm not really sure. And there's some reset limitation. Your account must be at least 15K in earned profit. The request must be the reset must be requested at least 4 days before payout day. And yeah, so like all the accounts are not eligible for resets at the moment, except for like the Formula One. But I think even the Formula One is also not available at the time. If you reset your account, you have a harder time moving it to your live account. And for the payouts, like once you earn 5% of your account balance, you become eligible for payout and can withdraw. You do not need to maintain the 5% buffer zone. You just have to reach it until the end of day to make your account eligible for payouts. Let's say that a trader has a Formula One account and an excellent 7 to 8 trading days. And for the time frame, they earn $15,000, bringing their account balance to 315K. They have now reached their buffer zone and activated payout. But for the last few days, they take small losses and their final account balance after the 10 trading days is $312,000. Because of the fact that the buffer zone has been reached, the trader can request up to the max withdrawal limit of $4,000. Alright, so let's cover what they did not tell you in the website. First is the profit percentage. When you are trading the sim funded, I think you get to keep 100% of your profit. And you get to keep 90% of your profit if you move on to the live funded account. And for the payout, it is upon your trading day schedule. So there's a special bonus here. For your first 5 days, if you meet the buffer requirement and the 20% consistency rule, you can withdraw based on the 5-day payout schedule over here. But this is a one-time thing only for the first account and the very first payout. If you miss this, it is based on the 10 trading days payout schedule. There is a max withdrawal for the payout. So for the rally, it's $1,500. Daytona, it is $2,000. Grand Prix is $3,000. And Formula One, which is a 300K account, it is $4,000. You have a minimum withdrawal amount of $250, and the withdrawal is done via RiceWorks. I actually do not really like RiceWorks that much, but well, at least they handle the KYC and everything. In terms of withdrawal, this one is definitely not as attractive. So what they have is from the first withdrawal until the add withdrawal, you can only withdraw a maximum of, let's say for the 50K account, you can only withdraw $2,000 each time. So add withdrawals, one withdrawals every 10 days, and they want you to have at least like a 4 months minimum of withdrawal of just like $2,000 per bi-weekly, and for you to keep the rest of the money in the account. So after add withdrawals, they will double the withdrawal amount limit. Let's say for the 25K account, you can withdraw up to 3K each time. The 50K account, you can withdraw up to $4,000 each time. The Grand Prix, you can withdraw up to $6,000, and Formula One, you can withdraw up to $8,000. So from the 9th withdrawal onwards until the 12th withdrawal, you can withdraw at double the limit. But after the 12th withdrawal, then you are uncapped, meaning you can withdraw as much as you want. And by that time, I think they will probably be pushing you towards the live funded account already. So why would anyone want to be a live trader under fast track trading? Well, aside from the 90-10 split, they are also the daily withdrawal and the removal of the 20% consistency rule. Upon going live, all the same account will be merged into one live account and the profit will transfer over to live. So, how do you become a live trader? From their website, at face value, it takes about 60 to 75 days from the time a trader begins their journey until the FTT can ascertain their ability to trade at the highest level. From their perspective, if they receive 5 consecutive payments, have a positive account balance and no account reset, at the time of live account promotion, they will deposit all the aggregate of all profits into the live account in their name. And from like, let's say from Discord or something like that, I see that there's messages of needing to get the 50K profit to move on to live. Meaning if you are staying below 50,000, you get to be under the sim forever. The reason why I am actually looking into this now is because I am eager to take advantage of the current promotion before it is gone. So direct funded accounts tends not to have much, if any, promotion at all. I waited a long time for TickTick to come out with one, but nah, it's just very small or none at all. So the current promotion for fast track trading is 30% off. And if you purchase 5 accounts, you will get an extra account for free. Meaning you get 6 accounts for paying for 5 with a 30% discount. The code that you can use is B5GO for the 30% off and the 5+1 account. If you just want the 30% off, it is FTT_30. For the B5 GO, it is only available once per day per user. Meaning if you want to use it again, you have to wait until the next day. So day 1, use it once. Day 2, use it 2. Day 3, use it for the 3rd time. And you have 18 accounts for your disposal. This promotion is active until they have delivered all the products and services promised. such as Ninja Trader, the credit card purchases, etc. The current estimate they have is that it will end by September. And if you are interested in getting this account, do use my link over here, or you can get it from the description to access the site so that I can get a little affiliate income kickback. Alright, thank you, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. In the meanwhile, I'll be getting this account for myself.